In this video, guys, I'll be telling you how to add the Roblox Studio on your iPad, guys. So to do that, guys, first of all, you have to open your browser and just open roblox.com on your browser, guys. Now, once you're over here, guys, now you have to just tap on this create button over here. Tap on it. Now, once you're over here, guys, that's actually a Roblox Studio of web version. Now you guys have to just tap on this share button over here, and now guys you will see you have to scroll down. You have to scroll down, guys, and here you will find this button over here, the add to home screen. Tap on it, and now you can name it as Roblox Studio. As you can see, it has been added here, guys, as the Roblox Studio. So this is a web version of Roblox Studio, but if you want a full stack of Roblox Studio, guys, then you need a high-end PC because it's require a lot of guys RAM as well as good processor. So you can't guys do that on your iPad for this for game making purpose or for any editing guys in game. So yeah, I hope you get it. Subscribe for more video. Till then.